We'll guide you through how to connect Gemini with VS Code. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this specific instructional tutorial, please make absolutely sure that you already have the reliable VS Code software properly downloaded and fully installed on your personal computer system. After successfully verifying that crucial initial requirement, go ahead and carefully open your VS Code application directly from your main desktop to securely access the main visual workspace. Once you are securely inside the main VS Code graphical interface, safely navigate directly over to the far left sidebar menu and firmly click on the extensions icon, which visually looks exactly like 4 small detached squares. Alternatively, you can always choose to smoothly press the Ctrl and Shift and X keyboard key combination simultaneously directly on your keyboard to incredibly quickly open the main extensions panel. Next, carefully type Gemini Code Assist directly into the designated search bar, conveniently located right at the absolute top of that specific open panel. Take your time to thoroughly look through the generated search results to successfully find the official extension that is securely published directly by Google. Confidently click the prominent blue Install button specifically located right next to the verified extension name. Carefully wait a few quick moments for the necessary installation process to complete successfully. Once it is fully installed into your software, you will notice a brand new Gemini or Google Cloud icon appear directly on your left sidebar interface. Firmly click on this brand new graphical icon to effectively open the main Gemini Code Assist panel straight into your current active workspace. You will immediately be prompted to securely connect your personal Google account, so simply click on the prominent sign-in button to successfully proceed forward. Your system default web browser will immediately open, taking you directly to the official Google Cloud authentication webpage. Securely log in using your personally preferred Google account credentials and carefully grant all the necessary security permissions for your VS Code application to fully access it. After safely authenticating your digital account successfully, you can easily close the active web browser tab and safely return directly back to your main VS Code window. Finally, try creatively typing a simple text prompt directly into the new Gemini chat panel to successfully verify that it is fully connected and entirely ready to write code with you.